Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'll show you how to get a cash loan fast using Juanhand app. Let's begin now. Step 1. Search Juanhand app. Download and install from the Play Store. Step 2. Open the app. Let's get started with the setup. Step 3. Tap Register button. Time to create your own account. Step 4. Enter your number. Make sure it's a working SIM. Step 5. Check your inbox. Get the code and type it. Step 6. Set your password. Make it strong and secure too. Step 7. Upload one ID. Choose government ID like UMID or passport. Step 8. Take a selfie. Make sure it's clear with good lighting. Step 9. Enter job info. Freelancers are allowed, so don't worry. Step 10. Add 2 references. Use real people that know you. Step 11. Submit your form. Double-check the details, then hit submit. Step 12. Wait for approval. They usually respond within a day. Step 13. Loan gets approved. Check if you're eligible for an offer. Step 14. Receive via GCash. Once approved, money goes straight in. Step 15. Pay on time. Avoid late fees and future issues. Step 16. Check loan status. You can monitor it inside the app. And that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. This is Gel Tolentino. Subscribe right here and feel free to check out my other channels too. Got a tutorial you want me to cover next? Drop it in the comments. See you on the next one.